This week it's been a pleasure to welcome Cai Elis from Cerrigydrudion to Brussels. He's come to do a work experience for a week in Parliament. Cai, tell us why you've chosen to come to Brussels and what is it you do and what do you study?
Well, I'm very interested in politics and especially European politics, and because my studies in history and French and English, I thought that a work experience here in the Parliament would be very beneficial, especially because I was because it's situated in Brussels. I thought I could practice my French a little bit as well.
And have you had a chance to practice your French?
Yes, I've been going around speaking to everyone I can just for the sake of practicing.
Good,
it's been really
good.
beneficial,
Glad to
I
hear
think.
it. And what about the Parliament itself? What's your impression?
Oh, I'm very impressed by it, by everything, to be honest. Especially, I've been going to many conventions about agriculture, and as well today I went to one about nuclear weapons and how NATO is intending to cut down its nuclear weapons, etc. And I thought it was very interesting, and the place is very interesting in general, I think.
Yeah, I mean, there's all sorts of meetings going on about all sorts of subjects, of course, but I hope you feel you've seen a bit of what impression Wales can make you this week as well.
It's very impressive how influential Plaid Cymru can be because of its part in the IFA Green Alliance. It's very impressive.
And you hear a lot of Welsh around the Parliament too, as well as French. So.
Yeah, it feels like a little part of Wales in Brussels, maybe.
Yes, I hope so.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for coming.
Thanks
it's been great
much.
having you here, and I hope you'll come back
Thanks
another
very much
time.
for the opportunity.
Thanks.